Welcome to Crackle Vlogs.
I'm trying to get back.
I'm with my nigga, Bass.
Right now.
Oh, shit.
Everybody.
Hey, Tana, let's go.
Fucking let's do it straight. Fucking let's do it. Fucking let's do it.
Pretty boys.
Pretty boys, internet boys.
Okay, so yeah, imagine update. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Intro. So I'll be doing Crackle Vlogs. This is part 1 of Crackle Vlogs. I'll be doing a lot of them. So vlog, I'll be taking you guys with me to the Eastern Cape. As you know, I'm not time. So now I'm gonna take a shower and then my flight. My pleasure. My pleasure. Yeah, so if like time I'm on one, I have to rush to the airport and then I'll update to Kampado. Otherwise, I'm a data. Very cold. I'm not comfortable because it's up elevator. That's when I take us on a tour for my YouTube channel. Yeah, quick one.
You play with us,
Okay, stalang up.
bar.
Bar.
That's a bar.
Bar.
Kitchen. But it's not the main chicken though. Yeah, I wonder.
Ikumoto ka blue.
It's in the car. Someone has to go down. Should we go down? Nah, let's go.
Yeah, continue, my sister. So this is the first kitchen.
Second kitchen. For bank shots,
Ha! So it's the toilet room. And then the room.
Dining room.
My room. Base and Lucius room. You are in a coco many room the whole night. Yeah, for him to
Go call NBA.
Yeah. Oliver has extra closet space. Yeah, I think we're saying more doing, but I'm gonna finish off the house tour. So Lena, this is the wardrobe space. You know, comfortable up. Just closet, clothes shit, tie shit. And then another space. Now these people are playing with me now. And then I lay paying space to hang your clothes. That's amazing. And then as you continue. Blue. This is blue. Let's go. I didn't take it. And then I come young, elevator. So Puma, can see some elevator. This is straight penthouse. Yes, ma'am. 4. Dinayo ndize unayo plus apha ko.
We're recording for the YouTube channel.
Okay.
So
Do you wanna plug your channel on my YouTube channel? Because I'm the vlog on my YouTube.
So go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share, show it to your grandmama, your grandpapa, your granddaddy.
Yes, ma'am.
You catch your dog, you gouse, whatever you do.
Balika walayo.
Yima ndiye yaloko. Yabona
Talk.
So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Like, follow, comment, share it to your kids, your dad, your dog, his pastor, father, whatever. This channel first, Sean's channel, and then on the description box, there's going to be a channel of Lucy, the bass. So subscribe.
Lucy, order! Let's go. I
don't know, it's called Lucy and Bass with the 8.
But Nina, this is supposed to go. As soon as I come out, I'm hold on, Bana Vesula, it's in Bana Vesula, Kubano, Bana Vesula, Bano Ban. Look, say, Caddy Clan, beach on the weekend. Yeah, I'm not running up. imali ngoku. Stand beyale mbezo kusuka shari gama face. Okay, now let's go to the airport. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, alright, so I'm on my way to the airport and at least the early this time, but can I tell you like a story about that one? So I was supposed to fly out yesterday in Gogo. I was doing that intro ever. And then now the Shiwa flight here so now they switched my flight to this morning. So Gogo it's like 3 a.m. Yeah, or 3 months, and I have to rush to the airport quick so that I can catch my flight. So Gogo, I'm waiting for my Uber. It's supposed to be here. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the Uber and then my airport. But I rather like if we get early than by like the lose and Shiva again, because if flight time I'm on 5, but I'll be there by 3:30 rather. I was because otherwise, yeah man, let's go to Eastern Cape. So come with me to Eastern Cape and I'll show you everything in Eastern Cape. Hopefully come on, because in January Eastern Cape, it's been a while, bro. It's been like a while. So I don't know what has changed. I'm looking forward to see my family as well. That'll be great. Okay, I hope you want to hear. Yeah, I think he. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm at the airport right now. Next time I'm sick in because there's no cars or nothing. But I have my shit with me. So I don't actually know what to do. I never go check in. Or should I just like put in here? But let me show you how it looks. And it's like a little bit weird to be here, like I know. So Manisela, where's a couch? And then just wait for my time to come. Otherwise this is scary, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Because in Telugu I'm busy and now it's just quiet. Like, what the fuck, what the hell? But yeah, I see you. And people are sleeping at the airport. Damn. Yeah, so now I'm waiting for my flight. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna watch a movie. I think I have like 2 hours. Yeah, I want to feel lonely. That's crazy. But I'm just chilling now. The book LAP movie now. And the husband, no dinner, bro. Like what the fuck? But yeah. I'm here, I made it on time. I hope.
When's the video sauce?
So Mila, you can go to Beauty Legend, make sure you follow us, keep everything.
So I'm coming Instagram page, so it's Mila Nombi 4. Then on Facebook it's Mila Nombi. Mila Nombi with the motor.
Follow her and please go support her.
Thank you.
Yo, I feel like the figure is cool. I feel like the figure is cool. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a walk around. But I just met this wonderful lady, Umila. She told me she's like going to a beauty pageant, etc. So yeah, please go follow her. But I think the figure is cool. But yeah, I'm coming to my app. Hopefully, I never get parked on the airport. Is it safe? I don't know, dog. Like, hopefully, no one, like, I'm on opportunity and then just mugs me or whatever. sailor, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm just going to give you a small tour. This is where you wash your hair. And hapa this is where you press and keep it. So yeah. Otherwise, I think like 15 minutes to Thailand. There's a mula on the try and go out with you. But it's okay, because I'm listening to the new album, STC, and I've been listening to it a lot. I fuck with it a lot. So 15 minutes to Milan, and then in East London. Let's go. The longest trip ever. And yeah, welcome to the Eastern Cape. The humid here feels different, I'm not gonna lie. But it was a nice trip. I'm also not gonna lie. And I met new friends. Oh, this is actually called the King Palo Airport. Alright, so Ngogo, I'm just waiting to be picked up and then, yeah. My King Palo Airport. Ah. Yeah, I think I'm the Baulinja, man. Can't have the phone, yeah? Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, I want to follow the engine. Want to tell me I lay on the and you know, right now, that's it. Boah! I tell you that. Well, yeah, fucking clear up on the park. Like, I'm going to anytime I'm going to Puma. But yeah, man, we're in the EC. So, in the Edgar is funding and go can't let the whole night was all. So, this is Kuba. Ngala energy in denial. And I am running on 1% energy. So the moment is a survivor now and is about terminated now. But it's a bonakala man. It's boning ba. The was bamba okay and is about Popayo Tilly. I don't know, dog. I don't know. But I say bona yo. Kuma izamba njani na. But yeah, siya kwenye bizo no one na pa friend bizo no na friend. I'm friend. Bizo no. Yeah, siya Blue House. And kuthiwa like Blue House uzaba lit lawe. So masibona kunjani Blue House and sibone ba asizaphatha kahle la. Because if not the woman didn't do so, Papa, your answer is charge Blue House. But if in woman be happy, there's a 5-star. Man can you not pull up and just fund and see though. As Quebec Cup. Yeah, never shine. I think whiskey mask, you go too long. As que não vis que mais um pouco não. Aí só lá ligue, não é lá. Tá like indlela like é building aí. Welcome to the vlog. Ayela, boxelo feko vlog ya. Eh, boxelo. Ah, bega pa pia challenge. Ah, vele serious, don't sell vlog ya. Okay, tell me about yourself. Ah, that is serious, bro. Friend, tell me about yourself and your talent.
There's a what?
And your talent. Tell me about yourself and your talent.
The Mutiche, camera, the stage, Mutiche, Frank, essay.
Yes,
On our
sir.
Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Hola. You know that? We don't.
Who knows about your parents?
Ele parent. Ele parent. Unamdana. Unamdana.